If you installed the XOS 16 update using the local update method and you're now seeing an error when trying to install the latest OTA update, don't worry at all. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly why this error is appearing on your device and what you need to do about it. So sit back, relax, and let's get straight into it. This year, Infinix started rolling out updates using different server signatures, and that one change ended up creating a massive amount of confusion across their entire user base. Some updates arrived with newer signatures and some came with older ones, and that is what caused this whole problem in the first place. Here's exactly what happened. The earlier update was released specifically for the Infinix Note 50 Pro 4G X6855 SP15, and the latest update came as X6855 SP22. On the surface, both of these updates look completely identical, but behind the scenes they carry different digital signatures, and that small difference is what caused all of this chaos. Now, this is very important to mention. The Infinix Note 50 Pro 4G is not the only device affected by this problem. Many other Infinix and Tecno phones ran into the exact same issue where users had already updated their device through the local update method and are now getting an error saying they cannot install the latest OTA update. So if you are on a different Infinix or Tecno model and facing the same error, you are not alone, and everything explained in this video applies to your device as well. Now let's get into why this actually happened. The root cause of this entire issue goes back to Infinix themselves. And honestly, if they had been a little more careful on their end, this situation could have been completely avoided. The signature mismatch occurred because the update was being served from the Infinix mobility server instead of the Truncheon holding server. Because of this, Infinix ended up releasing what is essentially the exact same update twice, but from two different servers carrying two different digital signatures, which completely confused their consumer base. Users who installed the first version through the local update method then received the second version as a brand new OTA update notification. And when they tried to install it, an error showed up saying they cannot perform the OS update. The reason this happens is because your device's system simply does not allow you to install the same update twice, even if it is arriving from a different source or carrying a different signature. That is standard Android update behavior, and your phone is actually working exactly as it should. So, what do you actually need to do about this? The answer is very simple, just ignore the error and move on. If you are seeing this error, it means you already have the latest XOS 16 update installed on your device. Your phone is completely up to date. This error is not a sign that something is broken or wrong with your device. It is simply your system blocking a duplicate installation, which is the correct and expected behavior. And here is the most important thing to understand: this will not affect any of your future updates in any way whatsoever, whether you prefer installing updates via OTA or through the local update method. All upcoming updates will install completely normally without any errors. This was a one-time situation caused by Infinix's server-side mismanagement, and it will not repeat itself going forward. You do not need to panic at all. I hope this video cleared up all the confusion and calmed your mind a little bit. To stay updated on the latest Infinix and Tecno software news and all other tech content, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and also follow Infinix's official social media pages and community groups related to updates. If you have any questions about this topic, drop them in the comment section below and I will try my best to answer every single one of them. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.